Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your language on Bumble. Let's get started. This is a very simple thing to do. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Bumble application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. After that, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see the main screen and swipe on people left or right if you want to match with them or not. After opening up the main page right here, click on the profile icon in the bottom left corner. This will open up your profile, and from there, you want to click on your profile icon again. Then click on the Edit Profile button. Now, you can see that we can edit our profile info. Scroll down until you find the option that says Languages. Here, you can change the language that will appear to other people. You can select the languages you know by simply choosing any that you want. After that, click on Save. Once you click on Save, people will be able to see what languages you know, and this will appear on your profile. Now, you can connect with matches who speak the same or similar languages. That's how you can change your language on the Bumble app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.